Volkswagen may have concluded its Top Flight Works rally program at the end of the 2016 World Rally Championship season, but it hasn't left the rally scene entirely. Enter the Polo GTI R5 rally car, a model which will be sold to private rally teams and is eligible for entry into the WRC2 category this year. Volkswagen Motorsport, the company's arm for racing endeavors, plans for an initial run of 15 Polo GTI R5 cars, though all of these have already been spoken for. Most of these are going to Volkswagen importers who plan to enter the R5s into their respective national championships, says Technical Director of Volkswagen Motorsport François-Xavier de Maissen. The Polo GTI R5 is slated for its competitive debut on home ground in August this year, at the Rallye Deutschland round of the World Rally Championship. Based on the 6th generation Polo GTI, the R5 competition car is powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine with direct injection producing 272 PS and 400 Nm of torque, paired to permanent all-wheel drive and a 5-speed sequential gearbox. Cars competing in the R5 category are subject to a maximum price stipulation. The FIA has set the limit at €180,000, RM867,829, currently, and will grow to €190,000, RM916,145, for the 2018 season. Cost containment measures make sense for customer motorsport even though more challenges are posed to the engineers, de Maissen said. For instance, select bodywork is made of less expensive plastic, instead of carbon fiber.